John F. Kennedy was a curious mind with a passion for history and leadership. He served in World War II and showed bravery that earned him respect and medals. Even in pain, he swam for hours, proving that leadership means sacrifice. After the war, he ran for office to serve his country in a new way. He entered Congress, and later the Senate, earning a reputation for bold ideas. In 1960, JFK ran for president, with energy, charm, and vision. He won America's trust, not just with words, but with presence. He became the youngest U.S. president ever elected, at just 43. On January 20, 1961, a cold day began a warm new era. And then, he spoke the words that would be remembered for generations. Ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. That sentence became a symbol of duty, pride, and American values. His words reached every home, every heart, every dreamer. It became a call to youth, to think beyond themselves. He created the Peace Corps, sending young Americans to help globally. From schools to clinics, they brought hope and change abroad. They didn't serve for reward, they served for purpose. His words inspired action in communities across America. Service now meant giving, without expecting anything back. He used his power to push for equality and civil rights. Justice was no longer a dream, it was becoming policy. He challenged America to aim higher, we choose to go to the moon. Under his vision, science became service to mankind. Service wasn't just for soldiers, it was for everyone. He understood the cost of freedom, and honored those who paid it. He took political risks, because doing the right thing mattered. He wasn't just a leader. He was a teacher to millions. He believed peace was stronger than war, and diplomacy stronger than fear. Everywhere he went, people felt like they were part of something greater. Alone, he carried the weight of an entire nation. He believed the future lay in the hands of the young. Then came the day that silenced a voice, but not a vision. The nation mourned. The world stood still. He was laid to rest, but his legacy lived on. A flame still burns, just like his words. They never met him, but they knew his dream. His message still echoes, in schools, hearts, and homes. Every act of service today reflects his challenge to us all. The Peace Corps lives on, decades later. And the dream he sparked? It touched the stars. His words remind us, service is the soul of a nation. He gave the flag new meaning, not as a symbol, but as a responsibility. The words that changed a generation, and challenge us still. America moves forward, because of those who step up. He served with courage. He spoke with truth. The question remains, timeless and powerful.